Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Okay. So we will cover some policy part till then, and later on we will do some labs when lab is up. So this is basically policy infrastructure about this one. So we have two kind of policy, like centralized policy and localized policy. Localized just for the devices, and if you'll see, whatever policy will configure on vManage, that will be pushed to the vSmart via netconf or yang. Okay, that is not a modified thing, that you cannot define that which language will be used. It's by default in its database. You cannot change it. Okay. And what comes under centralized policy, like device configuration, centralized control policy, like if you are changing the routing of your fabric, centralized data policy you can define. Suppose you want that in your whole organization, this firewall will be blocked, so you can do that. Okay, centralized application aware routing policy, like if you want that on every site, Microsoft Teams traffic should be prioritized, or maybe the video traffic will be prioritized, or this application will be go in a first priority, then second. So this kind of priority you can do on a application aware routing, or you can do like, okay, from the LAN side, when traffic will come towards the Microsoft team, it should go via locally breakout. It will not go via the overlay. Okay, so because somewhere at least you need to do the filter the traffic, like you have the tunnel with hubs, and there you're using firewall. So if you want that only some traffic will be filtered, otherwise some traffic like Google Cloud traffic, Microsoft Team traffic, any other things you want to go via locally breakout, those will be go via locally. VH will follow all the instruction whatever you have defined on the vManage, and vManage pull to vSmart, and then vSmart will push to through OMP to every edge device, and edge will behave whatever instruction it is received from the vSmart. Okay, I got this. I have these application. Out of this 10 application, you want the 3 applications should go to locally breakout. Okay, I will divert those traffic to locally breakout, and other 7 traffic will hit to the hubs or site to site communication, whatever it is. So that kind of application where routing will configure. Okay, localized policy, like this device configuration comes under centralized and localized also. uh, Localized policy, like if you are changing any configuring any policy regarding OSPF and BGP and the QoS part. So this QoS part comes under the localized policy. So whenever you design the policy in the vSmart, there is an option that you are configuring centralized policy or you are configuring the localized policy. Localized policy, even you can directly attach as a part of, you can directly attach these localized policy on the template part. Yesterday, I think I have shown you, not, I will show you. When we create our device template, on the just last button, there is a button of advanced. Under that, there is a tab. You can uh, uh, click on that one and just select your localized policy. Okay, so this is just overview of the policy. But before the policy, you are means you have designed any policy and you want to apply in SDWAN fabric, there is a condition that your vSmart should have the template. So vSmart should have the template attached before that, otherwise policy will not be activated. We can create the policy, but they will not be activated. Your vSmart should have the template. Okay, these are some other things, like vManage GUI policy, where we make the policy, and according to the vSmart enforcement, the policy and advertisement, and this edge behave according to that. So here the same thing, the centralized policy, what kind of we can design routing and services, application aware SLA based, extensive policy based routing services, combine and apply per policy. And one important thing, only one centralized policy you can activate at one time. If you have 2 or 3 centralized policy you have designed, so you will be able to activate only one policy. So what you need to do, you will create one control policy, you will create one application aware routing policy, you will create some data policy, and you will combine them in a one policy, then you will apply. So that's how it will work. You can conclude all the policy in a one main centralized policy, and you can conclude. Okay. And what other theory part I can cover? Okay, policy overview. Lab, we will do it later. Let me show you some DIA part, direct internet access.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.